How's it going, YouTube? It's your boy Deadpool 3.7 here with another video. And I know I'm wearing the same shirt just because I haven't took a bath in 3 days. And I don't feel like changing because I still smell good. I'm just fucking with you. I'm doing multiple videos today. I'm probably going to drop a lot. Today's video is going to be a quick video about defowlers and, O2 sensor questions. I know a lot of you guys have wondered, how am I catless and I don't have a check engine light? You got to get a defouler, okay? I'm going to leave the link in the description of where to buy it, where to find it. I'm going to put it in the comment section. And I know 7 Mustang vids, my homeboy, he gave me a good shout out, and I just want to say thank you to him, man. Much appreciated. But I'm going to talk about what those do. What they do is they trick your cats into thinking that, they trick your car to think that you have cats. You can buy bad defowlers, because I did. When I first ordered defowlers, I ordered from eBay, I think, and they was relatively cheap. I actually still might have them in my car somewhere. I don't know. I might have them in here. I won't be able to find them. But I'm gonna check here. Nope. Okay. So what the defowlers, the price changes on them. I thought I had paid like $40, but I didn't. I think they're like $14. The ones that I'm gonna tag you guys in, I think they're $14.99. And my check engine light came on one time, and then I cleared the code, and I haven't had it come up at all. The other defowlers that I had, I think there was actually more. I think those one I paid $40 for. And what they did was, whenever I would, cruise or whatever, no check engine light at all, nothing. Then when I would give it gas and like take off or something, and I believe it would kind of get hot or something, the check engine light would jump on, and the car didn't run funny at all to me. It didn't. It idled funny a little bit, but it didn't run funny. But what I'm going to tell you guys to do is just order that the defowlers that I tag in the link, because those are 100% working. They're they're not on and off. They actually work. Trust me, they work. Okay, if you guys buy some and they don't work, let me know. But as far as I know, they work fine for me. They work fine for my buddy Rosin. A lot of guys are actually catless now with the 3.7s. My exhaust setup is catless. I've mentioned it a couple times about what defowlers, get defowlers, but a lot of you, I didn't leave the link. I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna leave the link in this video. So this video is specifically what to get to stop that damn check engine light coming on, because it is a headache. Okay, so just order that defowler. I think it's on eBay or Amazon. I think it's eBay. So I'm gonna drop you the link. Use that. Now, do not put defowlers on the uppers O2 sensors. Put it on the lower O2 sensors, the downpipe O2 sensors. Like, if I wasn't driving, I would get up under the car and show you where they go. But it's like, I would say it might be kind of around where your gear shifter is. You'll see the first ones that you see when you're looking up under the car. Okay, now the one that's closer towards the engine block, do not put a defouler on that. Okay, do not put a defouler on that. Put the defouler on the one that's pretty much up under the car. It's gonna be up under the car. So just buy those defowlers. I have the link in the description. I'll even post it in the comments. That's going to stop your check engine light coming on. If you guys do not believe me that my check engine light is not on, let me turn this around for you guys. I hope you guys can see it. Let me see. See? No check engine light. None at all. I know on one of my videos when you first saw me do a review of my car and everything, I think I had my check engine light on. That was on the very first video. So again, I'm catless. no check engine light at all. So 1 second. Okay, no check engine light. So this is just quick, very small video, simple, down to the point, you know, keep it country, down to earth video. So order those defowlers. Again, I'm gonna say it again in the description and the comment section. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, keep watching my videos. Hey, love you guys.